Discover the heart and soul of Dolly Parton, more than just a music legend. Dolly Parton once said, "If you see someone without a smile, give them yours." This simple yet profound advice sets the tone for the story of a woman whose career has been as much about uplifting others as it has been about music and entertainment. As the screen fades from black, viewers are greeted with iconic images of Dolly Parton from various stages of her illustrious career. The background softly plays one of her gentle acoustic melodies, evoking a sense of nostalgia and warmth that mirrors the affection many hold for her. Dolly Parton, a name synonymous with boundless talent and a heart just as large, has not only captured the world as a cultural icon, but also as a philanthropist. Her legacy in music is paralleled by her commitment to helping others, making her a beloved figure across generations. Raised in the rustic Smoky Mountains of Tennessee, Dolly's childhood was steeped in poverty but rich in musical heritage. Her family's home was always filled with melodies, her mother's voice singing old mountain tunes, an early influence that shaped the budding artist from a tender age. Dolly's undeniable talent surfaced early. By the age of 10, she was performing on local television and radio shows in Knoxville, making clear that her voice and charisma were destined for a much larger stage. Her early foray into music set the foundation for a legendary career. Dolly Parton's move to Nashville marked the beginning of an illustrious songwriting, singing career. Arriving with unstoppable ambition, she quickly made a name for herself, capturing the heart of the country music scene. Her early years in Nashville were defined by her prolific songwriting. By the late 1960s, Dolly had penned several chart-topping hits, establishing herself as a noteworthy force in the industry. The 1970s saw Dolly Parton's rise to stardom as her voice graced powerful, poignant songs like Jolene and I Will Always Love You. These tracks not only showcased her vocal talent, but also her skillful storytelling, resonating deeply with audiences worldwide. Dolly's crossover into pop music broadened her appeal far beyond the country genre. Her ability to blend elements of pop with her country roots in the 1980s brought her unprecedented mainstream success, earning her a new legion of fans. In the 2000s, Dolly returned to her roots with a series of bluegrass and traditional country music albums, reaffirming her versatility and deep connection to her musical heritage. This move rekindled her core audience's love and introduced her timeless sound to a new generation. Dolly Parton's acting career further showcased her versatility and charm, particularly in the hit movie 9 to 5. This film not only entertained, but also highlighted women's struggles in the workplace, resonating with audiences globally and broadening her influence beyond music into impactful cultural conversations. Her role in Steel Magnolias as Truvy Jones brought another layer of depth to her acting repertoire. In this beloved drama, Dolly's performance captured the hearts of viewers, demonstrating her ability to convey complex emotions and connect with her audience on a personal level. Beyond the silver screen, Dolly Parton has been a steadfast philanthropist. Her imagination library is a testament to her commitment to literacy, providing free books to children from birth until they begin school, fostering a love of reading across generations. The Dollywood Foundation has not only boosted local employment, but also preserved the cultural heritage of the Smoky Mountains. This initiative reflects Dolly's deep love for her roots and her desire to give back to her community, enhancing the local economy and cultural life. Her humanitarian spirit was vividly displayed when Dolly responded to the 2016 wildfires in Tennessee. Through her foundation, she provided support to families who lost their homes, offering immediate financial assistance as well as a long-term pledge to help rebuild the affected communities. Dolly Parton's impact extends beyond music into the realms of significant philanthropic efforts. Her funding towards COVID-19 vaccine research exemplifies her commitment to global health, contributing to the rapid development of effective vaccines that have saved countless lives. Her acting prowess shone through in films like 9 to 5 and Steel Magnolias, where she not only captivated audiences with her performance, but also broke new ground for female actors in Hollywood. These roles underscored her versatility and helped elevate the discussion around women's rights and empowerment. Through her imagination library, Dolly Parton has championed literacy, gifting over 100 million books to children across the globe. This initiative underscores her belief in the transformative power of education and her desire to open doors for the next generation through reading. The Dollywood Foundation has not only boosted local employment, but also played a crucial role in preserving the cultural heritage of the Smoky Mountains. This endeavor highlights how Dolly uses her resources and influence to give back to her community, promoting both economic and cultural growth. Her responsiveness to natural disasters, particularly her support for victims of the Smoky Mountains wildfires, demonstrates her deep connection to her roots and her readiness to help her community in times of need. This act of kindness is a testament to her enduring commitment to the welfare of others. Dolly Parton's influence on younger musicians is profound. She has mentored emerging artists, and her timeless music continues to inspire new generations. Artists across genres cite Dolly as a key influence, drawn to her storytelling prowess and unique sound that seamlessly blends traditional and modern elements. As a cultural ambassador for the American South, Dolly Parton has showcased the rich heritage and complex history of the region through her music and public persona. Her songs resonate with themes of family, hard work, and Southern pride, painting a picture of the South that is nuanced and deeply personal. Dolly Parton's fashion and style evolution has left a mark on pop culture, symbolizing her individuality and fearless self-expression. Her iconic looks, from rhinestone-embellished outfits to her signature big hair, have inspired fashion trends and emphasized the importance of personal style in public life. Dolly's diverse fan base spans ages, countries, and cultures, a testament to her universal appeal. Her ability to connect with fans through her music, storytelling, and philanthropy, regardless of their background, makes her a beloved figure worldwide. Her inclusivity and open-heartedness play a significant role in her widespread popularity. A savvy businesswoman, Dolly Parton has successfully navigated the entertainment industry with her ventures. Beyond music, she owns Dollywood, a theme park that celebrates Appalachian culture and creates numerous jobs. Her acumen extends to film, television, and literary pursuits, demonstrating her multifaceted approach to her career and brand. Dolly Parton's commitment to literacy shines through her imagination library, an initiative that mails free books to children from birth until they begin school. This program has distributed millions of books across several countries, fostering a love of reading and providing equal educational opportunities to young children. Her approach to music and public appearances is notably inclusive, aiming to bridge cultural and social divides. Dolly often emphasizes unity and diversity, themes that resonate deeply in her songs and public statements. This inclusivity has endeared her to a broad spectrum of fans and reinforced her status as a beloved icon. Dolly Parton's social media presence is as vibrant as her personality. Whether she's sharing witty insights, inspirational quotes, or engaging with fans, she uses her platform to spread positivity and light. Her viral moments often become talking points, further cementing her role as a savvy influencer in today's digital world. Her philosophy of love and inclusion extends beyond her music and into her personal ethos. Dolly frequently speaks out about the importance of accepting and loving people as they are, advocating for kindness and understanding in a divisive world. This philosophy has made her a revered figure in the entertainment industry and beyond. Despite her decades-long career, Dolly Parton remains a relevant force in music today. Her ability to adapt to changing musical landscapes while maintaining her unique identity is unparalleled. She continues to receive accolades for her music and humanitarian work, proving that her legacy will inspire generations to come. Dolly Parton's influence on country music is profound, reshaping its sound and expanding its appeal. Her blend of traditional elements with pop sensibilities brought country music to a broader audience, infusing it with a sense of universality while staying true to its roots. Throughout her career, Dolly has been instrumental in nurturing new talent within the music industry. By offering both guidance and opportunities, she has helped launch the careers of numerous young artists, showing a commitment to the future of music that complements her own legacy. Dollywood is not just an amusement park. It's a vibrant celebration of the Smoky Mountains culture and heritage. Here, visitors can experience the music, crafts, and atmosphere of the region, preserved and promoted through Dolly's vision, ensuring that these traditions endure. Internationally, Dolly Parton has shaped how global audiences perceive American music and culture. Her charismatic, inclusive persona and diverse musical styles have made her a beloved figure worldwide, spreading the charm of Southern culture across continents. Dolly's collaborations with artists across various music genres have further solidified her role as a musical bridge builder. From country to pop, bluegrass to gospel, her partnerships have enriched her discography and brought different music communities together, celebrating unity through diversity. Dolly Parton's influence stretches far beyond the realms of music and entertainment. Her philanthropic spirit and commitment to social causes have made her a beacon of hope and change. Through initiatives like the Imagination Library, she has directly impacted education and literacy, demonstrating that her contributions are as meaningful off-stage as they are on. The montage of Dolly's charitable moments serves as a poignant reminder of her vast humanitarian efforts. This visual testament, showcasing her engagement in various causes, from children's literacy programs to disaster relief efforts, underscores her unwavering commitment to giving back to the community and supporting those in need. As the video nears its conclusion, a powerful quote from Dolly Parton about dreams and perseverance resonates deeply. Her words inspire viewers to hold on to their dreams and push through obstacles, mirroring her own journey from humble beginnings to global stardom, all while maintaining her generous spirit. The encouragement for viewers to subscribe to the Music Educator channel adds a call to action, inviting them to delve deeper into inspiring stories of music and musicians. This invitation not only promotes further exploration of musical legacies, but also builds a community of like-minded individuals who value music and education. The final call to action, urging viewers to join in celebrating Dolly Parton's legacy, serves as a compelling closure to the video. It not only honors her lifelong contributions to music and society, but also encourages ongoing engagement and appreciation, ensuring her influence will resonate with future generations.